Yo, what is up, guys? M2C RC back here with another video, and I got my Kraton 8S back out, and we're here at the Washington Park, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can hit this 70 miles per hour. We got a big, large field here, and no one is out, so it's perfect time to run it. So let me go ahead and get my RC6 V2 6S up here. Got that on Kraton. Let's turn it on. See if we can get that 70. Last time we was out, we hit the we hit 63 miles per hour. So, all right, it's on. All right, good. All right, so let's see what we can do. I got the Sky RC in there. Let me just sleep on me. All right, go ahead, track, start. You can see it moving right there. All right, 12 satellites. Let's go ahead and do it. Put this in my pocket. Let's see. Just gonna send it down. Oh, it's a little lumpy there. We got some range there. All right, here we go. Arrma Kraton 8S. Started to Willie. Let's send it back. Let's see if we can do it. All right, and bring it back. Whoo! Oh man, it's hard to keep it down. It wants to get in the air. This is difficult. This is really difficult to try to get this big old behemoth to go 70 miles per hour off-road. So got the Sky RC, we're gonna hit stop. We're gonna hit read. 62 miles per hour, there it is, 62. If we can keep this thing down, I'm pretty sure we can hit 70 miles per hour. That is the difficult part. So I'm gonna run it back, hit start, and let's see if we can hit this thing. See if we can take it down and try to keep it down. All right. I am running Power Hobby 4S Lipos in series, 7200 milliamp. Okay. Try to take it further down. There we go. This thing got some range on it. It's a good radio. All right, I got it all lined up, and let's see. Here we go. Kraton 8S. Ooh, ooh! It just wanted to wheelie. Full throttle. Hopefully that's it right there. Okay. Oh. All right, let's bring it back. That one's a little bit better than the last one. Woo. All right. Let's see it. Let's bring it in. Okay. Coasting. No trigger. Mesh is good. That thing rolling. All right, let's see. Oh, hobby. There we go. Let's go. Kraton 8S. Did we get it? Or somewhere near. 71. We did it, guys. We did it. We hit 71 miles per hour off-road. Kraton 8S just did 71 miles per hour off-road. Off-road, man. That's awesome. We did it. We accomplished our goal. There it is. You guys see it right there. 71. Let's go. Reverse splash Kraton 8S. All right. Hey, that's it. Open up the hood. Running XLX2. Man. With the 800 kV motor. Oh, right there. Power Hobby Lipos. Got 5 wires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over here too as well. Man, handling the motor, feel it. Yo guys, this joint not even hot. I am running a 39 tooth Spur like the EXB is, so yo, we there. We in there, we got it. 71 miles per hour off-road. All right guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell button, like, comment, subscribe. And you guys take it easy, stay safe, and have fun with your RCs. Peace. Yo, 71.